Drop it.
Welcome back. So to continue our C++ tutorial, so for today I'm going to start to discuss about variables and data types. Here are a list of programs that I'll be discussing under this topic. So let's start. Let's open up our browser here. So I have already prepared our program. So for the first example, I'm going to demonstrate to you how do we declare and assign values to a variable. Now, let's first define what's a variable. A variable is a set of values that can change depending on the conditions or the information passed to the program. So, I have this program here. If we run, the output should be to display the value here. The length is 10. So, how do we do it? So, we have our regular structure, our library using namespace, and our main program here. Let's start with this line. So a variable declaration, this is a variable declaration. So how do we declare a variable? First thing is that you start with the data type followed by the name of the variable. In this case, the data type that we're going to use is integer. Next is, this is our assignment. What it does is, since we're going to assign a value of 10 to the variable length. Okay? Then next is this line here, outputs the text, the length is, and then using the cout function, this one allows us to display the value of our length variable. In this case, we have assigned it with a variable 10. So as you can see at the output, we have here the length is 10. So this is our tutorial for today. Hope you like it. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks. Bye.